Nothing looks worse on a vehicle than faded plastic trim. This is due primarily to weather conditions and in particular UV rays. It can fade and discolour within a couple of years of a vehicle leaving the factory, making the vehicle look older than it is and impact on resale values. The E-TECH Pro Class Plastic Restorer is a high-concentrate single-application product which effectively rejuvenates plastic bumpers and exterior trim, making it look like new again. Not to be compared or to confuse with cheap spray-on silicone-based products that leave a nasty, greasy, oily finish after application and will then wash off very quickly. Now we will show you how easy it is to use. This is a professional solution for reviving faded and discoloured plastic exterior trim. Can be used on black or grey trim. Always read the instructions on the product carefully before use. Part of the E-TECH detailing and valeting range.